I'm Jason Estrie with Oliver Travel Trailers, and I couldn't be more excited to show you the all-new 2027 Legacy Elite 2. This year brings some of the biggest changes we've made in years, from the completely redesigned windows, the all-new power management, comfort, and off-grid capability. Whether you've been following Oliver for years, or this is the first time you're seeing an Oliver camper, I think you're going to be very impressed with the innovation and the thoughtful engineering that went into this new 27 Legacy Elite 2. Every year, we try to refine and improve a product that's already built to last a lifetime. And with the 2027 model, we took that even further. The 2027 Legacy Elite 2 continues to be built around Oliver's quad shell, double hull fiberglass construction, and our exclusive 6061 aircraft grade aluminum frame. What does that mean for you? It means exceptional durability, reduced maintenance, and a trailer designed to last for decades, whether you stay on the pavement or head far beyond it. Underneath every Legacy Elite 2 rides on Dexter Neverloop axles with easy flex suspension, leaf springs, and shock absorbers for a smoother, more controlled towing experience. From the ground up, every component is designed with long-term reliability and real-world travel in mind. This Platinum Pro model features the all-new solar awning system. That's a massive 48-volt, 960-watt solar package integrated directly into the curbside awning. Pair that with the 400-watt solar on the rooftop, and that gives you a massive 1,360 watts of solar power. Now, to store all of that solar power on the Platinum Pro model, we have 640 amp hours of lithium battery power ready to go. These have built-in heaters and are the top-of-the-line batteries that we offer. Now, this gives you the complete ultimate off-grid capability. Now, these batteries also pair with a 3,000 watt inverter inside, meaning you can run all of your electronics, your TV, your microwave, your air conditioner. You can fully go off-grid and not lose the luxury of any of the features. One of the nice new upgrades on the 2027 model is the built-in DC to DC charger that runs through the 7-pin. That means all you have to do is plug the 7-pin up like normal, and it'll charge 20 amps into your lithium battery bank while driving. Also new for 2027, fully new front jack. It's 4,000 pound instead of the old 3,500 pound that we used to use, giving a little bit more heavy duty work there. It's got a power button and then much easier operation where you do retract and extend, so you know exactly which way the camper's going to be moving. The new centralized thermostat now controls the air conditioner, heat pump, and furnace from one simple interface. We've also upgraded to a new Dometic furnace with redesigned ducting throughout the trailer. The new ducting combines the return air system directly into the duct structure itself, improving airflow efficiency and heat distribution throughout the cabin. Most importantly, the bathroom now has its own dedicated heat duct, dramatically improving comfort during cold weather camping. Another great new improvement in 2027 is the all-new Rec Pro on-demand water heater. Now, this feature is standard on all models, and it's a 60,000 BTU on-demand water heater, providing instant hot water anytime you need it. Now let's take a look at my favorite upgrade for 2027, the all-new windows and shades. Now, why is this my favorite? Well, the outside is beautiful, looks great with the trailer, but even better, it opens fully all the way up. So it's a fully awning style window, and it's still dual pane, so you still get that winter protection going out camping in the winter. Let's take a look from the inside of the camper. And inside, the day and night shades are now fully integrated directly into the window frame. The day shade actually functions as the window screen itself, allowing airflow while filtering sunlight during the day. Then with a quick adjustment, the blackout night shade provides complete privacy and darkness for sleeping. The galley got several major upgrades for 2027. The new solid surface countertops provide a premium residential feel while improving durability and usability. A redesigned kitchen faucet adds both style and functionality, and a new stainless steel sink. And the kitchen continues to feature our quality cabinetry with dovetail drawer construction and soft close hardware. Another thoughtful improvement for 2027 is the new cabin air fan with integrated LED lighting. The primary overhead cabin lighting uses a softer amber tone for a warm, low light atmosphere during the evening, but when brighter task lighting is needed, the fan includes its own bright white LED lighting built directly into the unit. Another great new feature for the 2027 model is our new tank monitoring system. Now this new system, what's so great about it is the probes or the sensors are integrated directly into the tank, getting more accurate and better readings than prior models. So this is a great new feature in the 27 model. The 2027 Legacy Elite 2 continues to build on what makes the Oliver owners love the camper so much, yet we continue to add significant upgrades and changes to build even a better camper year after year. Now, if you'd like to learn more about our campers, please visit us on our social media at Oliver Travel Trailers, or give us a call and schedule your factory tour with us to see how they're made in person. Thanks for taking the time with us to walk through the all-new 2027 Legacy Elite 2.